Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. First up, we have some fun college things for you all who are Bearcats fans. Yeah, that's right. We got some Cincinnati Bearcats. And then those people I don't speak to who are Buckeye fans. It's fine. It's fine. But we thought maybe you needed some light Buckeye fabric. Since we have a lot of red, you might need the lights to go with it. So, Ohio State fans, you're welcome. Bearcat fans, you're also welcome. Okay. There. This is called Honey Bunny. How cute is that? It's sweet. It's from Clothworks. We just got 3. Of course, you know, binding, people, binding. Did I miss something over there that you were shoving me that way?
No.
Okay. Then we have some pre-cuts. We have Sundance by Crystal Manning. Caleb already brought my fat quarter home for me. Yes, it's beautiful. We also have the fat quarter bundle. Look at those colors. Don't you want to make something? I do. And we have, where is it? Simply Delightful by Sherri and Chelsi. And we have this in everything except mini charms, including, look at the little honey buns. Look how cute they are. They're 1.5 inch strips. Okay. The Sundance we have in Fat Quarters Layer Cakes Charms. Is that right? And we will be getting that entire line in shortly. Then here are the Simply Delightful bolts that we got from the line. It's a very nice selection. It reminds me of our color wall here in the shop. I just feel like you could just put all those on the color wall and it would be perfect. So, we are not having a show this Sunday. We forgot to tell all of you that on Sunday. So sorry, we're not having a show this Sunday, but we will be back February 12th. It will be Mama Bear and I. And then that following Monday night, the 13th, I will have my block of the month sew along. So put both those on your calendar. Until then, happy quilting. Bye.